Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. 19th August, that is celebrated as the World Humanitarian Day every year to recognize all aid and health workers who volunteer to help victims of disaster and crisis against all odds. 19th August also celebrated as the World Photography Day every year to create awareness, share idea and encourage people to take a photography. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs announces that 500 cities across India have declared themselves as Safai Mitra Surakshit Shahar. These cities achieved adequacy, institutional capacity, manpower and equipment norms as stipulated by the ministry and provide safe working conditions for sanitation workers. Asian Textile Conference 2022 held in New Delhi. It is organized by the Confederation of Indian Textile Industry since 2005. The theme for this year is reimagining the textile and apparel industry for the next decade. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India to host its inaugural hackathon Bima Manthan 2022 with the theme Innovation in Insurance. IRDAI is founded on 1999 and its headquarters is situated at Hyderabad. It is a statutory body and a regulatory body responsible for the development of insurance industries in India. The major function of IRDAI is protection of the right of policyholder in India by creating regulations, issuing registration certificates to insurance companies in the country, and it also renew, modify, cancel these registration. Udar Shakti, that is a bilateral exercise between the Indian Air Force and Royal Malaysian Air Force concluded in Kuntan. This will strengthen friendly ties and enhance defense cooperation between both the forces and will provide an opportunity to share and learn best practices with the Royal Malaysian Air Force through this exercise. Country's first electric double-decker bus, Switch EIV 2022, launched in Mumbai. Let's understand the key features of the bus. It is an app-based seat booking bus with live tracking and payment on the Best Chalo app. It has dedicated USB port for every passenger, adjustable footrest, express services with fewer stops during peak hours. Recently, a study done by Meteorological Institute researchers that is published in Communication, Earth and Environmental Journal concludes that the Arctic is heating 4 times faster than the rest of the planet. The warming is more concentrated in Eurasian part of the Arctic where the Baltic Sea north of Russia and Norway is warming at an alarming rate with 7 times faster than the global average. Let's understand what is polar amplification. Any changes in the surface air temperature and the net radiation balance tend to produce large changes at the north and the south poles. It occurs when the atmosphere net radiation balance is affected by an increase in greenhouse gases. Let's understand the term Arctic amplification. As we all know that sea, ice and snow have high albedo. That means they are capable of reflecting most of the solar radiation as opposed to water and land. In the Arctic case, global warming is resulting in diminishing the sea ice. As the sea ice melt, the Arctic Ocean will be more capable of absorbing solar radiation, thereby driving the amplification. The lapse rate or the rate at which the temperature drops with elevation decreases with the warming. These changes are more significant at the northern latitude and are known as the Arctic amplification, whereas scientists have also noticed that these changes in Arctic can also affect the monsoon in Indian subcontinent. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the like button and comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any update. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.